and hopefully your chair either rolls or doesn't roll. All I'm gonna do is allow the chair to sit there. All I wanna do here, I wanna make sure I'm gonna get my body to really come back. I wanna bring that stretch now to make the shoulder range of motion open up. I wanna open up that shoulder. I'm gonna come out and then bring that shoulder back in by walking in and walking out. All right, I'm gonna walk in and walk out. As I come down, I'm gonna push my body down a little bit more every time, get that shoulder really open up that shoulder area and stretch the area. So it's called the mulligan stretch again, mulligan stretch. Coming back up, hold, 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 then come back in about 3 to 4 times and hold that stretch really further out as much as you can. It should stretch more over time as shoulder relaxes to get that shoulder to unwind, decompress that overall shoulder, right? So that's your mulligan stretch. Allows, and again, give you things to do to make the body not only improve your posture, but also make your muscles open up and unwind that shoulder back and down instead of being forward and squeezing together, compressing that overall shoulder.